Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel. Time to fresh.
Hey yo, North Cats, Desi, Pardesi.
Welcome to the channel, everybody.
That's right. Bringing you some Desipardesi style. Time to fry. Welcome to Desipardesi. जहाँ खाना करे crazy. Welcome to Desipardesi. यहाँ recipes बनाते आपको जो crazy. हमारे मसाले में जो बात है इसमें माँ का हाथ है, तजुर्बा और मेहनत इनका सबसे ज्यादा साथ है। आपको भूख का बुखार है, Desipardesi उसका इलाज है। Welcome to Desipardesi. You're making me go crazy. It's time to fry. Flaska high, spread your wings like a butterfly. Best believe we're bringing you an exotic flavor. This ain't no flavor. Baking it, blending it, chopping it, skimming it, grinding it, mixing it, and you can never stop drooling it. Best believe here we are in Desipardesi, living in the desert like the heartbeats Desi. We make the food to a magic show. Make your kitchen spicy disco. Here we are in Desipardesi, living in the desert like the heartbeats Desi. We make the food to a magic show. Make your kitchen spicy disco. Let's go.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.